Oh no! Mom accidentally dropped her phone. Everyone looked surprised because the screen cracked as soon as it hit the floor.
Mom picked up the phone carefully. The screen was badly cracked, and she looked very worried.
Lily looked at the broken phone carefully. She wanted to help her mom solve the problem.
Mom tried to turn on the phone again and again, but nothing happened. The screen stayed black.
He checked the phone carefully. He wanted to see if it could still be repaired. Lily waited quietly and hoped for good news.
Lily searched for a phone repair shop. She wanted to help Mom find the best place to fix the broken phone.
Your repair shop location.
Lily found a good repair shop. Good repair shop. Mom and Dad were happy because they finally had a plan.
The family was ready to leave. They hoped the repair shop could fix Mom's phone. The family drove to the repair shop together. Everyone hoped the phone could still be repaired.
At last, they arrived at the repair shop. Lily smiled because she believed everything would be okay.
Kissed her. The repair technician welcomed the family with a smile. Lily felt hopeful, because everyone seemed kind and ready to help.
Mr. Ben looked at the phone very carefully. Lily watched every step because she wanted to learn how phones are repaired. Lily learned that repairing a phone takes patience, careful hands, and the right tools. The new screen was carefully installed. Every small step was important to make the phone work again.
The phone worked again! Mom smiled with relief, and Lily felt proud because the family never gave up.
Mom tested every part of the phone. Everything worked perfectly, and everyone felt happy again.
Mom tested every part of the phone. Everything worked perfectly, and everyone felt happy again.
Mr. Ben showed the family how to screen protector and carefully places to protect their phone. Small steps can prevent big problems.
Now the phone was much safer. Lily smiled because her mom had learned an important lesson.
The family left the repair shop with happy smiles. Their problem had finally been solved. The first photo with Mom's repaired phone became a special family memory. Sometimes a problem can bring a family even closer together.
Lily helped Mom organize all the family photos. They smiled as they remembered many happy memories together.
Lily showed Mom how to save everything safely. Now their important memories would never be lost.
Teaching showed Lily how to save important phone numbers while of emergency contacts. Little lessons can help in big situations.
It showed Lily how to save important phone contacts, save emergency phone numbers. Little lessons can help in big situations.
Everything was organized neatly. Mom thanked Lily because finding photos would now be much easier.
Now, Mom used her phone carefully, but she never forgot that family time was the most important part of the day.
He received an important message. Tell Lily and Dad. She smiled because her phone was working perfectly again. Lily cleaned the phone carefully. Looking after important things helps them last longer.
Instill it helpful it starts the software update, while explaining why updates keep phones safe and working well. Software updates help keep phones safe and working smoothly.
Before leaving home, Mom made sure her phone was safe. Good habits can prevent future accidents.
Found Elliot's hair phone. My stand was fixed.
A few days later, everything felt normal again. Mom always carried her phone safely wherever she went.
Lily learned how to hold the phone carefully while taking beautiful pictures of nature.
Mom showed Lily that being careful is always better than being sorry later.
Dad took many beautiful family pictures. Every smile became another wonderful memory.
The family loved looking at their new photos together. Every picture told a happy story.
Lily wanted to make sure Mom would never drop her phone again.
Now Mom always remembered to keep her phone safe. Good habits can prevent future problems. The repaired phone was useful, but spending time together made everyone even happier.
To 3.
The new family selfie became one of Lily's favorite pictures.
Sometimes a broken phone can teach an important lesson. Taking care of the things we love helps them last much longer. Lily shared what she had learned, placing a phone into a protective smartphones. While how it itched Lily, everyone discovered that taking care of a phone is very important. Lily answered every protect their own phones. Lear thanks her for the helpful with a smile. Sharing knowledge helps everyone learn together.
When Lily came home, everything was working perfectly. Mom's phone was as good as new.
Every picture reminded them of a wonderful family memory. They were thankful those photos were safe.
Lily organized every family photo with care. Now every memory was easy to find and safely stored.
Dad surprised Mom with a new phone case. It was both beautiful and strong. Now Mom's phone was safer than ever. Everyone felt happy and relieved.
The family took another happy selfie. It became one more beautiful memory to keep forever.
Looking at the family photo made everyone smile. They knew every memory was worth protecting.
A broken phone became an important lesson. Taking care of valuable things and helping each other made this family even stronger.